Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Pinterest too many requests. Try again later. To know how to fix or how to solve too many requests, try again later, you should just go to settings, then we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that, in this page, you will enter to this window of Pinterest. Then in this list of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will go to click storage. Here in this page, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. First stop, and then you will click storage. Here we click clear cache, and in the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.